record ESP32, install MicroPython firmware. Open the configuration interpreter, select port. I can see here that the firmware is not working. We turn the configuration monitor back on, click to install MicroPython. And here it's connecting to the internet. Download and detect some MicroPython firmware. So we have to wait until E is ready to connect to the internet. We can continue to operate, otherwise the interface will self-destruct. You can see the prompt below. You need to wait for a while. Okay, when it's done, it will automatically identify our port. We can choose. Here I use ESP32. The default is to use the first ESP32. For the version, use the latest 1.2 to 6.1. Click to install. Here, I fast-forwarded the installation process by a factor of 10. It's installed here. We click Close. Click OK. Then we click to terminate the program. You can see it